Hello everyone, I'm Sandra, otherwise known as Create in Spain, and welcome to the very first Create in Spain video hop. So here we go guys, my video is a decoupage rose card. Hope you enjoy it. I have my base card here and I have the cutout panel stuck onto the front of it. I'm going to put some glue in these little holes. I have two sorts of gems, and one is a very pale yellowy green colour, and it's just round, tiny round ones, and the other ones are little teardrop shapes which will emphasise the shape of the cutout like that. And I'm going to pick a selection of gems to put in here. So some will be the little green ones and some won't. But it needs to be subtle on this particular card. As you'll see when I finished it, this bit needs to be subtle. There, that's gorgeous. I love that. Just a little bit of twinkle. Now for the bit which is going to be in the middle, I have this. What I've done is I've drawn a rose and I have drawn it with my silver bullet, but instead of drawing it once, I've drawn it in 3 parts. So it's decoupage. There we go, that slots into place perfectly. And there we have it. Now I've done another different version of this, and with this one what I've done is I've cut it with an offset and I've left it plain. Now it's cut out of a creamy beige card, and that would go in like so. And you can see that's pretty good just on its own. You could, if you wanted to, put in a coloured card behind this. You could put in a coloured acetate or foil or anything else you wished, or you could just colour that in with metallic or shimmery pens. So you have lots of different options. Now for those of you who are into the polymer stamp making, you can of course make this outline design into a stamp. No reason why you shouldn't at all. Thanks for watching, and follow the link in the information box below to the next video. Take care now. Bye bye.